Here I have REALME Narzo 10, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So first of all, you will have to select language. Let's select English, tap next. Then you have to select your region, tap next. Then you have to agree with terms of service, tap next. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any open Wi-Fi network around, you can just skip this step for now and connect to the Wi-Fi anytime later. Then you have an option to enable Wi-Fi assistant, or you can just skip this feature and do this later in settings. Then you have Google services. If you want them, just leave them. If you don't want them, disable them. But in any case, you will have to accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then you can enable lock screen, pattern, PIN, password, or any other lock screen method, but you can also do this later in settings. Then you can enable this auto update overnight function, but you can do this anytime later in settings too. Then you can backup data from your previous device, but you can also skip this step for now and do this later. And that's it. Your device is ready to be used. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.